What is going on, Pokemon fans? And welcome back to another Pokemon opening. And as you see on your screen, you see a Sun and Moon sealed booster box. So this is number one of the case that I've bought a while ago. So I'm only getting to it now. So yeah. This is number one of the booster box. I mean the booster case that I have. So planning on buying another case as well. I'm not sure. But yeah, so this will be in two parts. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, awesome looking box. So this is my third official booster box that I've opened so far. So hoping for a hyper rare because I haven't pulled one yet, and I'm looking for those to complete this set. So yeah, and I don't want to buy it. I don't want to just buy the card straight up like that. I'd rather just pull it from the box or packs, you know. So let's get my scissors. Branch, what's wrong? Nothing. Trolls. I watch Trolls with my kids 7 days a week. 6 days a week. Every single day besides, I don't know, but 6 days a week, right after they come home from school, right after they do their homework, it's Trolls. Can I what? Where's my pliers? Huh? Where are my pliers?
What?
My pliers.
Oh.
So even though we know that the box may or may not be mapped, I mean, I'm pretty sure it still can be mapped. We're not gonna do that. We are just gonna open every single pack because we are not about weighing or mapping booster packs. It's not about that. It's about having fun, you know, about not knowing what to pull and hoping for the best of pulls, you know. So we're gonna just start with this side. We're gonna do this side later. Maybe make this into two parts. So
I'm ready for work already.
You're gonna get ready for work?
Yes.
Okay.
We're leaving soon. In an hour.
Why are we leaving so early?
Can I pick up your mom?
Yeah, but then Mom might not even be done by 12.
Where are you going? I'll send you. Okay, thanks.
Oh well. So 3, 4, and I'm gonna skip the comments because I'm pretty sure you guys seen the comments like a billion times already. So I'm gonna skip the comments and go right to the uncommons and the good stuff, you know. Right, so we got an Water Energy, Team Skull Grunt, Metapod, Gramble, a Reverse Ilima, and a Crabominable. And my car, my race car. Okay, next pack. Most likely this will be another rare. Where can I put my rubbish? Wait, let me move these cards over here. I'm a left-hander, so everything has to be in the left-hand side for me, which is easier. Well, no, not really. No. I'm getting all mixed up already. It's already 5 minutes into the damn video. Okay, so we got a Fairy Energy, QQ Mewtwo, Great Ball, Dart Tricks, Surskit, and a Butterfree. Rare. Move this to this side already. Yeah, right there. So I have room. Okay. So this should either be an ultra rare or a freaking holo, because we just had 2 packs already that had nothing in it. So most likely it will be an ultra rare, if not a holo. Which I hope it's not, because I really want them to fix this freaking mapping problem. I hate it. Like, knowing what you're gonna get is ridiculous. And so we got a Lunala GX Hyper Rare, guys. Like, I would be so excited to pull this, but I'm not really excited at all. I mean, I should be, but knowing that it's mapped a certain way that Pokemon didn't fix it yet, it's just really disappointing. Like, I don't want to know that every other 2 packs will be a freaking holo or ultra rare, you know? I don't know. It's just me though. Like, I would be excited to pull that, but I'm not excited at all, to say the least. Like, if I didn't know that if it wasn't mapped, then of course I'll be excited. I mean, I should be excited, but I'm just not. But, you know, I pulled a freaking hyper rare, which is, here, I have a code, which is amazing, because then that's my first hyper rare right there. So can't complain. So according to Darium, he said that you're guaranteed a, what are you looking for? Huh? Internet should still be on. If it's not on, it's on. No, that was my brother, sorry. My brother was wondering if the internet was on. But yeah, it's still on. But yeah, according to Darium, in every box you're automatically guaranteed at least 4 GXs, a full art, and then a wild card, supposedly, he says. So that's a wild card. A full art trainer is a wild card, and then a secret rare is also a wild card as well. So I got the hyper rare, so we will see if that's going to be my only wild card for this video. So we got a holo. So these next 2 packs will be duds. There's not even no point in the kind going Cosmog and Bruxious. Hi, my baby. And that's my daughter. I'm already 9 minutes in already, and then this video is way too long already. Wishy-washy and Primarina. Yeah, this video is way too long. And this one here is the ultra rare. Yeah, Tauros GX, guys. Primarina reverse. And then white code. Let's get my sleeve. Put it back here by Tauros. So the next 2 packs will be duds. Ah, man. This just ruins everything. I'm hoping that Pokemon can fix it though. then it'll be better off knowing that you don't know what you're gonna pull rather than knowing. Like, I watch videos about rants, and this is my rant while I'm opening a booster box. What did I do with the cards? Did I do it? I don't know. Well, that was nothing. So, yeah, okay. Alright, so here's second dud pack. Potion and a Cosmoan. So this should be a hollow. And a Rebombi hollow. Mew. Oh, let me get sleeve first. So another Zubat reverse and a Harry Mama. Another dud. I wonder how long more we're gonna have this era. I guess I'll call it an era. An era. I wonder how long that they're gonna keep this up. Because I really want it to change. I'm okay! You go get your slippers, baby? So, gumshoes, or freaking gumshoes. A gumshoes. Wait, let me get a sleeve. Gum in my shoes. I have gum on my shoes. Oh, fell down. So, looks like we're one short, maybe. So maybe this might be one of those boxes that you would get less on it. Because so far, I only pulled these. This is my next GX. So then, the last one should be a freaking hollow. Because we only got 2 hollows. So you can only get 6 of each, right? Sharpedo reverse. Wow, that's nice. Rainbow energy. Okay, so this is the last pack. This should be a hollow. It should be a hollow. And let's just... Oh yeah, here, have this code erase since I already showed it. So... 4 and 2. Skip the commons. Okay, so... Green. A lowland Persian. Meow. Brion. A rare candy. A reverse snubble. And an Alolan Muck. Alolan Muck. Don't stink up the factory. Your stench is revolting. So, there it is, guys. Your 3 hollows on one side of the box. Right there. And then as well as the 3 GXs. So this is the wild card. This is 2 more GXs. So I should get 2 more GXs and at least a full art in the next half. And that should be my quota for this box. But awesome though, we put a rainbow, a hyper rare, so this is my first one, and it's a Lunala. Not bad. But I'm really hoping that Pokemon fixes the problem soon, because this is getting ridiculous, guys. Don't you agree? Well, I don't like it. Some of you like it, some of you don't like it, and I'm the one that doesn't like it, so yeah. Well, this is getting 15 minutes long, so I'm just going to stop it here. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a like. If you guys didn't enjoy it, leave a dislike. And if you are new, subscribe for more openings. And part 2 will be here tomorrow, guys. So, see you guys later.